So, as you know, we've been doing this series called Building a Godly Family and Marriage. So, what all we have learned, अब तक हमने क्या सीखा है? We have learned that we have to put God first because Christian marriage is a triangular relationship, a three-dimensional relationship. It's a marriage between three parties, God joining husband and wife uh, worshiping God, and together they make a healthy marriage. So, परमेश्वर को पहला स्थान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है as a husband, as a wife, and then as a couple. Okay? And how can you put God first? And there's no one better than Jesus. Jesus always put his Father first. And हमने देखा last Sunday that the Bible, everything in Christianity, Bible is all Christ centered. In fact, the dunya bhi Christ centered. Is created through him and for him. And he's returning back to his church and this world. But yes, of God perspective, and we have to nirantar through the Holy Spirit also. We talked about the fruit of the Spirit, and we'll see in one of the last sessions ki how the Trinity helps us in our marriage. But we also discussed that देखो चाहे whoever you're married to, every marriage has its problems. Okay, हर शादी में परेशानियां होती है. There is no perfect marriage, and most of the problems are caused by sin. पाप is the root cause of all problems. सारे जड़ जो है वो पाप के वजह से है, and पाप is the root of all problems. And what happens is that we see sin manifested. मतलब इन सारे चीजों में दिखता है. These are some of the most common and universal problems in all marriage: communication, in-laws, money, sex, children, love and respect, stress, anxiety, differences, gender differences, culture differences, experience, expectation, personality, and obviously poor conflict management. हम जानते नहीं है कैसे लड़ाई करें. But आज हम सिर्फ पहला तीन देखेंगे: communication, money, and in-laws. Um, okay, so a lot of practical ways that we can help our marriages. And then we have looked at children. Then we will look at love, respect, stress, anxiety, differences, conflict management next Sunday, and sex on after that. And then, as I said, we'll have John and Molly coming from the English church. वो counselors भी हैं, husband wife भी है. They're a little more aged, and they'll just share from their anubhav and experience. And we'll have a Q&A on the 30th of August. And then we'll finish the series and go to Luke. But today we want to talk about communication, बातचीत. Okay, communication. Now, communication is very, very important in every marriage and family. Okay, अच्छी बातचीत होना बहुत जरूरी है, right? And no matter who you are, we always need to improve in our communication. And obviously, leadership के लिए भी communication is very important. And when there is poor communication, मतलब अच्छी बातचीत नहीं है, ढंग से बात नहीं करे, there is poor communication, then what happens is there is distance. It creates distance in relationship. It can hurt marriages. खराब बातचीत के वजह से रिश्तों में दूरियां आ जाती हैं, और जितनी दूरियां आती है उतना उस रिश्ते में नुकसान होता है. So communication is not mean just talking, but there's more to communication. क्योंकि what happens in communication? Communication में क्या होता है? We share our intent, कि हमारी नीयत क्या है. What is our desire? What is our intention? We communicate our emotions. Are we happy? Are we sad? Are we angry? Are we frustrated? Are we confused? In communication, we share our attitudes. In communication, we share our belief कि हम किस बात पे विश्वास करते हैं. Communication is the platform through which we express ourselves. हम अपने आप को express करते हैं. खुद का जो व्यक्तित्व है वो बताने का, दर्शाने का अवसर होता है. This all happens through communication. By communication, we listen. By communication, we express. By communication, we negotiate. ये आप कर लो, ये हम कर लेते हैं. By communication, we explain. By communication, we inform. आज लेट हो जाएगा. With communication, we compliment. तारीफ करते हैं, एक दूसरे को सुनते हैं, समझते हैं, जानकारी देते हैं और तारीफ करते हैं. By the same communication, we argue. We argue, we quarrel, we criticize, we justify, we condemn each other. हम एक दूसरे को दोष देते हैं, हम एक दूसरे से झगड़ते हैं, हम बहस करते हैं, बुरा भला कहते हैं. A lot happens in communication. In fact, communication happens non-verbally also, right? If you aankhein badi karna, right? You haven't said anything, you just make your eyes. Some people are making it right now. Bhi ruk jao yaar. Aankhon se, body language, right? This body language like that, you stand in front of anyone. Sometimes there is communication through silent treatment. है ना? You don't talk to them. You withdraw. You withdraw. Uh, and and we have so many various technology to help us communicate आजकल, but yet we all struggle to communicate. We have so many devices and so many things ki आजकल to make communication better. You know, when I was being raised, my mom used to work in Saudi Arabia. उस time letter लिखा करते थे. Like it will take 1 month, one side to get it there, and then we will get it here. Uh, but now it's like we can Lish is in Australia, we can WhatsApp video every day almost. And effective communication, मतलब इतना कुछ है, but yet we are struggling to communicate. And as I said, effective communication. If you have healthy communication in your family, in your marriage, it deepens friendship, it builds intimacy, you are able to understand each other, and it avoids conflicts. Half of our conflicts will be taken care of अगर हम ढंग से communicate कर सके. Because what happens in good communication is you understand and you're understood. And what happens when you understand and when you are understood? It's peaceful. It's nice. It's so nice when someone understands us. Right? And when both are feeling कि हमें समझ गए हमारा situation, हमारा emotion and everything that is understood, तो वो जो दूरियां हैं एक दूसरे को समझते हो, it works. When each person in a family knows how the other person feels, what the other person wants, if each person feels मेरी बात सुन ली गई, they've heard me, they've understood me, then it's going to build good relationship, it's going to build intimacy, and अच्छे रिश्ते की बुनियाद है good communication. Okay? So here are some quotes about communication. The most important thing in communication is to hear what isn't being said. बातचीत में सबसे जरूरी बात यह है कि जो नहीं कहा गया उसे सुना जाए. It takes two to communicate. One to speak and the another to hear. बातचीत के लिए दो लोगों की जरूरत होती, एक बोलने वाला और दूसरा सुनने वाला. Right? And it's interesting that the Bible has a lot to teach on communication and speech. The Bible has a lot to teach on communication and speech. So let me share some verses and before we go to some practical applications. Proverbs 12:18. The words of the reckless pierce like swords, but the tongue of the wise brings healing. ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके बिना सोच विचार का बोलना तलवार के समान चुभता है ना? परंतु बुद्धिमान या वाइज के बोलने से लोग चंगे होते हैं. Right? The tongue of the wise brings healing, but there are then some people when they speak without thinking ऐसे लगता है कि खंजर मार रहे हैं. Proverbs, full of wisdom. Proverbs 18:21. Death and life are in the power of the tongue. Death and life are in the power of tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruits. जीभ के वश में मृत्यु और जीवन दोनों होते हैं, और जो उससे काम में लाना जानता है वह उसका फल खाएगा. Right? Can you imagine your tongue? आपकी जुबान is so powerful. Proverbs 21:23. whoever keeps or guards his mouth and his tongue will keep himself out of trouble. जो कोई भी अपने मुंह और अपनी जुबान पर काबू रखता है वो खुद को मुसीबत से दूर रखता है. If only James also will look at it, but if you guard your mouth, if you guard your tongue, you'll keep yourself out of trouble. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 29. Let no corrupting talk, evil talk, bad talk, unhelpful talk, let no corrupting talk come out of your mouths. कोई गंदी बात तुम्हारे मुंह से ना निकले. But only such as is good for building up as it fits the occasion. पर आवश्यकता के अनुसार वही निकले जो उन्नति के लिए उत्तम हो. मतलब लोगों के भलाई के लिए. Your word should build them up. Your word should encourage them. They should feel nice, positive, build up, warmth, that it may give grace to those who hear, ताकि उसे सुनने वाले पर अनुग्रह हो. Imagine if your words are filled with grace. Look at Colossians chapter 4. Let your speech always be gracious, seasoned with salt. You know, एक बंदा था ना, एक ऐसे famous हो गया था ऐसे करने में. बताओ salt से. So our tongue needs this. So that you may know how you ought to answer each person. आपकी बातचीत हमेशा विनम्र और समझदारी भरी हो, ताकि आप जान सके कि हर व्यक्ति को कैसे जवाब देना चाहिए. And James chapter 1 verse 19. Let every person be quick to hear, slow to speak, slow to anger. जल्दी सुनो, सोच समझ के धीरे बोलो. So tell me, how many of you in your marriage or family you have heard this phrase? You don't understand me, you don't listen, आप सुनते नहीं हो, या your words hurt me, you're rude. ये सुना है? Yes, raise your hands. नहीं? Only very few people, right? It's because क्योंकि ये सारे verses are not part of our life, right? If only we can practice this. And let's open our Bibles quickly to James chapter 3. James chapter 3. James chapter 3. James chapter 3. You know, साल में एक बार बुक ऑफ जेम्स पढ़ना जरूर. Right? It is the most strongest book on like James is like no left and right. He's just straight to the point, hits the point very strongly. James chapter 3. Not many of you should become teachers, my brothers, for you know that we who teach will be judged with greater strictness. तो मेरा जॉब थोड़ा रिस्की है. Right? Verse 2. For we all stumble in many ways, and if anyone does not stumble in what he says, he is a perfect man, able also to bridle his whole body. If we put bits into the mouths of horses so that they may obey us, we guide their whole bodies as well. Look at the ships also. Though they are so large and are driven by strong winds, they are guided by a very small rudder whenever the will of the pilot directs. Point kya hai? Point is verse 5. So also the tongue is a small member, yet it boasts of great things. How great a forest is set ablaze by a small fire. Verse 6. And the tongue, the zuban hai, the tongue is fire, aag hai. Death and life is in the power of the tongue. And a world of unrighteousness. The tongue is set among the members, staining the whole body, setting on the fire the entire course of life, and set on fire by hell. Interesting. एक proverbs है. Even if a fool keeps his mouth quiet, he's considered wise, right? But the tongue, the way you communicate, the way you speak, that will tell people, भाई आप कौन हो, कैसे हो. Just the way you speak, right? The tongue is fire. And Verse 7, for every kind of beast and bird, of reptile and sea creature can be tamed and has been tamed by mankind, but no human being can tame the tongue. It is a restless evil full of deadly poison. Imagine our tongues are full of deadly poison. With it we bless our Lord and Father. With it we curse people who are made in the likeness of God. Right? From the same mouth come blessing and cursing. My brothers, these things ought not to be so. Does a spring pour forth from the same opening both fresh and salt water? मतलब यहीं से आए हिमालयन मिनरल वाटर और यहीं से गटर का पानी भी आए. Right? It's not fair, right? Can a fig tree, my brothers, bear olives, or a grapevine produce fig? Neither can a salt pond yield fresh water. What's the point? The point is, James is telling us, don't underestimate the power of the tongue. Zuban is very, very powerful. So, communication in marriage is very, very, very important, right? So many verses we have looked and we have also thought about it. But now let's come to practicals. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? Tongue is important, communication is important in marriage. To kare kya? Okay, so the Bible has a lot to say in our communication, and obviously, Jesus, he always spoke with truth, grace, and love. Sachai, kripa, aur pyar. Okay, and Jesus, as you know, he also did a lot of listening, right? He knew all the problem, right? Before a person came to him, there was this one of his disciples, Nathaniel, वो पेड़ के नीचे बैठा था. And Jesus have seen you before. He already knows Jairus के daughter के साथ क्या होगा, मार्था Lazarus के साथ क्या होगा. Jesus तो सब कुछ जानते already. Peter धोखा देगा, पहली Peter को बता दिया. Then also Jesus would always listen, and his speech was full of grace, full of truth, and full of love. Okay? And हम उनके follower हैं, हम उनको belong करते हैं. हम control नहीं कर सकते अपनी जुबान. We can't control our communication, but Jesus can help us day by day. But as long as we let Jesus control our tongue, we're going to let Jesus control our tongue. Okay? So application. How do we improve communication in our marriage? First is we need time to talk regularly. Okay? देखो, naturally nothing works. You need time to talk regularly. बात करने का समय निकालना. We live in Gurgaon, most of you. You are very busy. Okay? Now, some of you be like, क्या बात कर रहे हो, pastor जी? हम तो बात करते ही हैं. Okay, morning we decided कि दूध कितना लेना है. Right? शाम तक हुआ, we decided this we'll have for dinner. We are already talking. What do you want more? See, that is not talking. That is not communication. Real talking is you just sit there and you are able to express yourself, and one person is understanding and the other person is expressing. Okay, and are able to be honest. Okay, so minimum you need it once a week. Okay, maximum is if you're able to do it daily, praise the Lord. Right? Agar every couple are able to spend quality talking every day, that is great, but nahi ho pata. Okay? So Lish and I, for us, it is Monday from 11 to 12:30 or sometimes 12, sometimes nahi ho pata. But that is our week. We talk about the whole week, but we also talk about each other. Anything we offended each other. And we do this after Bible reading and prayer so that hum defensive na ho jaye. So we are both in a neutral space. And sometimes we say hard things that means something I said or did, Lish did not like it, maybe some of my parenting style, I don't know. And so she's able, it's a safe space for her to express. And it's a safe space for me to express. हम वहाँ offend नहीं होंगे. Right? But it is a time devoted to talk about important things from spiritual to practical to family to financial through the week. That is the time. And we have to really guard it, really protect it. But there has to be a time that we talk. And when we talk, it is important that we have active listening. We all struggle with active listening. How many senses are used in active listening? Do you know? How many senses? One? No. कितने सेंसेस लगते हैं ध्यान से सुनने के लिए? बहुत 5 सेंसेस है. Eyes, look at the person. All right. Ears is obvious. Mouth needs to be quiet if you're listening, otherwise, it needs to be open when you're speaking. Okay, these are the senses plus your mind and your heart. Right? It's very important. If you are not applying all these three things, now we all know हम सब कलाकार हैं, right? We can do multitasking. So we are there, but we are not there, right? But it's important when you give that time, make sure you're there, your eyes, your mouth, your ears, your mind, and your heart is there for that person, right? That's very important. Very important in active listening. No interruptions. Okay, so if they're saying something or you're saying something, make sure you don't interrupt. Don't justify. Don't defend. Don't clarify, right? Whatever you're doing, the talking person should not interrupt. मतलब एक topic पे बात करो, don't go into like 10 years back and all that stuff. Focus on that. And that those who's listening also, no devices, you need to focus, but you got to do this. Apart from that, this is something I need to work on is there should be a daily dialogue also, a 5 minutes. And if possible, you got to give one compliment, right? वो कौन सा ऐड था कुछ मीठा बनता है राइट तो एक तारीफ भी बनता है राइट आई नो इट फील्स इट्स फनी लाइक मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैड अरेंज और लव मैरिज बट जो भी मैरिज है especially if you were in a dating relationship it was more easier to communicate all these things right but abhi after marriage yeah to even say I love you or you're so nice you look beautiful you're handsome ये थोड़ा awkward लगता है why is that married couples find this complimenting each other awkward and artificial, right? Sometimes we need to let, most of the time we think अंदर से feeling आनी चाहिए. We are Indians, until we don't feel it, it's not true, it's not good. But sometimes we need to let truth, जो सच्चाई है, fact जो है, it should lead our feelings, right? And the fact is they're your spouse, they're your family, they're very important. And you can compliment, you have to compliment your boss, right? Your managers, even if you don't like their work, like don't like anything. तो थोड़ा अमूल टिकिया घर पे भी लगाओ कम्युनिकेट डेली वन कॉम्प्लीमेंट कुछ मीठा बनता है एक तारीफ and praise each other we need to praise at least focus on the good quality I really need to work on this I am a quality freak but sometimes I don't say a lot of good things to Lish अभी एक हफ्ते से वो है नहीं right and it's been hard very difficult just energy wise like Ayan and Avi demand a lot of energy um, So yeah, just one good quality. And it's important that when you talk regularly, you're transparent and honest. But again, it takes two people to be transparent and honest. When someone is being honest to you, we always say कि सच कड़वा होता है, truth is bitter. You got to help the other person. देखो आप बोलो सच, मारो गोलियां मुझे. मैं सह लूंगा. Make sure you allow the other person to speak the truth even if it hurts. Because this is important. The truth is important in a relationship. Imagine that husband and wife are not able to be honest with each other. They're supposed to be one flesh in the bed together, open and vulnerable. लेकिन वो दिल से बात नहीं कर पा रहे. And poor communication affects sex life also in marriage. So make sure you're giving space for the other person to be true. And listen to understand and don't judge. Okay, let Jesus judge. You can just say to the person, देखो यार Jesus कोई अच्छा नहीं लगे. Right? Jesus is okay. But you don't judge, let Jesus judge. Um, and sometimes what happens is also that in good communication, you need to change your communication style. Okay, you need to change your communication style because it is important key it is heard, it is understood, and all that. And so, a lot of times, what happens again, so, must be thinking there are a lot of problems in our marriage. Anyway, I would just speak something, but I'm walking in this direction. Lish is in this direction, right? And I feel like I've communicated, I've said something, but she felt like मैं mumble करके चला गया कुछ, right? Obviously, voice का direction इस तरफ है, and we are not in this direction, all that. So that's a bad communication pattern that I need to change. I need to go to her. I need to communicate. वो मुझे बात करना है. So what is the tone? Is there is or the words, certain vocabulary आप use कर रहे हो, certain tone आप use कर रहे हो, the way you're sitting. So what is your communication pattern? And it is possible कि आपके परिवार में, आपके spouse में, they might not like one or the other communication style. Be willing to change that. ठीक है? Okay, so that is there. Time to talk regularly. Lock in a time. Second, being clear. Okay? Again, very cute time hua karta tha when we would say that, like that you just expect the other person to understand you fully. जैसे वो अंतर्यामी है. Okay, without you saying anything, you expect your spouse to understand. I was hoping you will understand that I wanted this uh, flowers, on our anniversary. Means not anniversary. Anniversary is important. Maybe you wanted flowers on the first day we met, right? Or the first job, and so like unexpected, uncommunicated expectation hai. But the other person has no idea, right? So don't assume that your spouse knows. Assume your spouse is a fool. Okay? It is assume उनको कुछ नहीं पता. वो एक भेड़ है, sheep है. Bible also says he's a sheep. We are sheep. Right? कुछ नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है life में. Just say it. You want a chocolate? You say I want a chocolate. Hey, you want to watch TV with them? You say I want to watch TV with you. I want to watch this movie exactly at this time, sitting like this. Okay, so expecting without communicating will is a disaster. क्योंकि you haven't communicated and you are expecting कि मेरा पिया घर आएगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, and कुछ आपने बताया नहीं. And what happened? And if you want them to tell you what time they're coming, you haven't told them, but you're expecting, and your expectation has not been met, and you are angry. And the poor guy or the poor woman, वो जो प्यारे से fool हैं, they have no idea. So be clear. Literally, this may sound very boring, but we need to talk about everything. मतलब everything. चाय में कितना चीनी से लेके what cup you want, what bedsheet color you want, everything you have to talk about in a marriage. Don't assume, don't expect without communication. Be very, very clear. And sometimes, if possible, see, they're another person, you're another person. जरूरी नहीं है कि हाँ मैंने तो अपना expectation बता दिया. Right now it should be fulfilled. It doesn't work like that. It might be helpful that a lot of times we request. We need to request. Again, I know in Indian culture, please is very formal thing, but it's important that you request. They are also an individual. वो भी एक person है. उनकी भी अपनी इच्छाएं and all that. You can, if you want something, you expect something, you can say, I would like to request. Right? So request करो एक दूसरे से. Another thing in very important in marriage, be quick to say sorry. As Christians, we live by grace. Grace मतलब हम failures हैं जिनको यीशु मसीह ने पास करा through his life, death and resurrection. हम failures हैं. So हमें we should not have the problem of pride and घमंड कि हम sorry नहीं बोलते. Right? It's very important. We should be quick to say sorry and quick to accept the sorry and also forgive. Okay, a lot of couples don't like saying sorry to each other, and it's a big problem. We should all be big on saying sorry. और एक बार sorry बोल दिया तो उसके बाद punishment मत देना. Okay, that is not the gospel. Right? So if Ayan and Naveed, they do make a mistake, if they've said sorry, it's not chalo भैया discipline time है इसके बाद. What's the point then? What's the value of sorry? ठीक है? Manners. A lot of our manners in Indian culture is in the tone. Okay, if possible, we need to work on this. We really need. We'll talk about this in conflict management. The pitch, how much you scream, how much you गुस्सा सबको आता है. We all naturally want to scream. इसीलिए we hear so much honk here, right? Horn is not allowed in a lot of places, but why do we honk? Because it's another way of us screaming all the time, है ना? And so let's not scream. Let's have manners in our tone, ठीक है? And now this is also important, but we'll understand this in differences that men and women communicate differently. Okay? And we'll talk about this in the differences, but just because you're talking communication, again, thoda stereotype hoga, okay? But a lot of men generally will watch something, sports dekh sakte, kuch dekh sakte. So they communicate like this. They're looking at their men are all sitting here, and we can communicate like this. Women don't communicate like this. It is a bit disrespectful. They will communicate facing each other, looking at each other, or in a circle, in a more emotional, relational way. So we communicate differently. Again, some research nikla hai. I don't know how true it is. I'm just reading some books. It says that men only listen to a quarter of what their wife says. Okay, matlab only one third. Matlab 25% only men listen to their wife, 75% they are in La La Land. Okay, uh, so let this not be true about us. Okay, understand the differences also, and sometimes look. Sometimes I don't know in your marriage, every marriage has a talker who talks the most. Okay, it could be a man or a woman, and they just chit chat, chal laga hua hai. Like it's like once it's on, there is no switch off, right? And the other person most probably is like you're there, but you're not there. And so you can talk to the person, says, look, we don't need to talk about everything under the sun. We need to communicate, but then we need give me a breather also. If you don't get a breather, you will not listen to her in future. Okay? So you got to understand your style of communication. Are you want to talk about everything and you want to talk about everything right now, right? Sometimes it's like I sometimes do make this mistake around 11 o'clock in the night. मुझे कुछ important बात करनी है. And Lish is dead tired. And thankfully she's very patient also, but that's not a good time. She doesn't have the energy to listen and all that. And sometimes she wants to bring it when I'm in the middle of a task, maybe घोड़े जैसा हूं, when I'm in a task, don't talk to me, I don't have a family. And so she would come with something important, and I'm like, the door is locked, right? So it doesn't work. So try to understand communication pattern and the differences and work it out and come with a common solution, right? Let God's word train your mouth and heart, and that's what is written. But I just want to read this quote. Marriage is a team sport. You either win together or you lose together. या तो आप साथ जीतेंगे या तो आप साथ हारेंगे. There is not one person who can win the marriage. Okay, it's always going to be a team sport. You either win together or you lose together. Okay?